everybody! Today we're going to make an origami strawberry. Let's get started.
So first, you fold it in half so that it looks like a triangle.
Like this.
After that, you fold up the edges.
Fold it up like a doggy, sort of.
So this is just for a guideline. Just fold it in half so that you can get it in half later. And then you turn it over and then you fold it into the line.
Same with the other one?
Yes.
It looks like a strawberry already.
Almost. You fold up this here, like that.
Like that.
And it sort of looks like a strawberry, right? After that, you fold it more, so that there's like two triangles here.
This, huh?
Yes. Make sure it's nice and flat so that it doesn't pop up. Yes. And then now you fold them both to this side.
Like this?
Yes. Should be near this crease here. You do the same for the other side. You flip them both to the other side. And after that, you have these two creases here, and then you just open it up. And you fold these two down like that.
It's drawing time. Draw a design on the leaves. Okay, so now I want to draw the eyes. There. I'm all done.
I'm all done as well.
That they still look the same. These are best friends. Those are best friends. Thank you for watching, everybody. Can you please check out our other videos and good vibes.